What's up, world? It's your boy Big Hurt back in the kitchen once again. And as y'all can see, we got us some ground meat in the pot. But this not just no regular ground meat. This some good old deer ground meat. And today we're gonna be making us some deer chili. And I want to say Happy New Year's to everybody that I hadn't told. Happy New Year's to all the big fam. Hope y'all had a good holidays, good Christmas, good New Year. And we jumping into it. We're gonna show y'all how to do this deer chili. And the ingredients we're gonna need, of course, some ground deer meat. And then we got a can of rotel. And I wanted the hot, but they didn't have any of the hot at the store because I like a little spice in my chili. But I got some red pepper flakes, so we're gonna make it do what it do. And I got a can of black beans and 2 envelopes of the chili seasoning. You can do your own if you want to. You use some ground cumin and chili powder, and then whatever this season you want to use. But that's what we're using today. And also we got some onion here, diced up. We're gonna throw this onion in here while we got the meat going. Let's get that mixed in good. There's a lot of meat too. It's about 3 pounds of meat, I know. You have to make sure it don't stick because it ain't got no fat. Should put a little butter in the bottom. Ain't no fat in the deer, so it's all lean. We're gonna get this browned up, and we're gonna show y'all the process as we go. Yeah. All right, y'all. I got my meat all nice and browned up. Onions are cooked and got soft, which they're gonna get even more soft. So I'm finna throw all this in the crock pot, and that's finna be the next step. I'm finna transfer all this meat to my crock pot. We're gonna let it cook low and slow. Yeah. All right, people. Now we're finna transfer all this meat to the crock pot. I might even share a little bit, y'all. So I think about this. Should I share a little bit with somebody? I might take my dad some. He always be getting this deer meat. So I need to share with him, right? It's only right. Alrighty. Go ahead and throw this rotel in there. Oh shoot. Oh man, y'all. Y'all know I don't cut my mistakes. It is what it is. Everybody make mistakes. Make sure I got the top out of this. Yeah. Dump the beans in there. Season. Open up. Dump that seasoning up. There's number 1. And number 2. And another thing I forgot, y'all. It's not a must, but it makes it a little better to me. I forgot to get some beef broth. So I'm gonna have to use some water. Give me a cup. We're gonna use water today. We're gonna season it well though, so it's not gonna be bad. One cup. Two cups. Get this all stirred in good. We're gonna put it in the crock pot and turn it on high and let it go for maybe like 6-7 hours. Yeah. All right, y'all, got everything transferred, got all the water in there. Now we're gonna put all the seasons in there. And first up, some accent. Onion powder. Go with some garlic powder. Go some red pepper flakes. Not too much, just a want a little spice, but I get something from my daddy, so I don't want it to be too spicy. He can't handle the heat. Some black pepper. And we're gonna add some ground cumin. Little Tony Satchers. Get that stirred in good. Get stirred in real good. This season got me about to sneeze. If you ain't sneezing, you ain't seasoning. I'm gonna get this stirred in. We'll be back with y'all in a little bit. Yeah. After 4 hours, look what we have here, big fam. A nice bowl of good hearty deer chili with some grilled cheese. So y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. You know, all that good stuff. And kind of hungry. So you know it's grub time for me. And Big Hurt on the checkout. Yeah.